Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 8. We'll be presenting about the useful programming language for cybersecurity. This is our assignment 1. My name is Faidi bin Fahmi. The first one is Python, widely used in cybersecurity for its simplicity, versatility, and rich library ecosystem. Task is scripting, automation, penetration testing, and tool development. So there are advantages and disadvantages. For the advantage, it is readability and ease of use for quick development, extensive standard library and third-party libraries for various tasks. For this Python programming language, it is used for network scanning, using the SCAPI library to discover hosts on a network. So the second programming language is C++. It is utilized for low-level programming tasks, system-level applications, and building high-performance security tools. The advantages is fine-grained control over system resources, and the second is suitable for developing security critical applications. So this is the code, example code for the C++. The code illustrates a buffer overflow vulnerability. JavaScript, particularly with the Node.js runtime, is increasingly utilized in cybersecurity for web application security, server-side scripting, and building web-based security tools. The advantages is well suited for web security tasks and server-side scripting. And the second is enables the development of web-based security tools. The JavaScript code creates a simple HTTP server using Node.js, allowing it to handle incoming HTTP requests.
Hi, my name is Mazli Arif bin Mahzan. So I would like to talk about three companies that use programming languages to develop their cybersecurity products. First company is Netflix. One of the main languages used by Netflix to create backend apps and service is Java. Java is used in the development of several of Netflix vital technologies, such as its content distribution and streaming services. Netflix is also involved in the open source community and the Java ecosystem. Next, Google. Python plays a crucial part in multiple aspects at Google. The script is used for a wide range of tasks, including automation, machine learning, creating web application, system emulation, and data interpretation. The more common instance of Python application in Google is the development of inner tools, scripts, and infrastructure automation. In the same system, the popular Django web framework from Google is developed by Python. So lastly,
Thank you, Mansli. Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Ain, and I'll be continuing our presentation by presenting about cybersecurity programmer challenge. So one of the challenge is a malware analysis, in which it is a study that examines harmful software and code, also including their origins and their potential impact, in order to determine its source capability and how it spread. For an example of this challenge is how a cybersecurity analysis investigate an abnormal file in a company's network by investigating its coding structure and behavior. They then run the file in a controlled environment and observe its behavior. Thus the dynamic analysis classify the infection as ransomware variant, and that is how they know it. So next one is a penetration testing, also known as ethical hacking, that involves simulated cyber attack to identify its weakness in computer system. It is also used to improve firewall efficiency. An example of this is when an organization hires a penetration testing company to assess their web application security. They will collect data on the application's architecture and technology and then perform vulnerability scanning and explore SQL injection vulnerabilities to expose any potential cyber attacks that may happen. Last but not least is cryptography, which is a process of transforming information into something incoherent by using algorithm. to by using algorithm and keys to protect um, users' communication and data to ensure confidentiality. An example of this is when a users named Alice and Bob use asymmetric encryption to protect their confidential data exchange. Alice will create public and private keys, and Bob used her public keys to encrypt message, while Alice's private key decrypt the message, ensuring unauthorized individuals cannot access its content. So that's all for me. Next is Iman.
Thank you, Ain. So I will next be presenting about the popular cybersecurity awareness programs held in schools and universities. So first of all, there is the famous Capture the Flag competition, CTF, which is celebrated annually around the month of October. Petronas held an inter-university CTF in 2023, where it aims to challenge participants to improve each other's weaknesses and share skills among themselves. The next example is the hackathon program. Bank Negara Malaysia has held a money laundering hackathon, receiving 660 participants from 20 countries all over the Asia Pacific. They competed to develop digital prototypes to combat financial crimes. And finally, there is the popular program among universities and campuses, which are talks. For example, UniKL MIIT has invited a cybersecurity expert to give a talk about career opportunities in cybersecurity and real world case studies in the job field to students. That is all from all of us. Thank you.